this is everything you need to know about amino groups, how to find their R groups, and if they're ionized. So first, we gotta find the carboxyl group, which, as you know, when it's like boom, 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 all this, the angles just mean there's a carbon every time, so we can assume there's a carbon there. And the carbon also has to be connected to an amino group, which is right there. So this is there, so if it's connected to the carboxyl and the amino group, this would have to be the alpha carbon, this is the carboxyl group, and this is the amino group. Now, the next thing we need to look for is it positively or negatively charged on the outside, minus the R group, because we know this is the R group now, because this is everything else. So there's no pluses or minuses, so it's not ionized. So now we look over here to see if this is polar and or non-polar. So there's no oxygen, there's no sulfur, there's nothing like that, and there's no plus or minus. If there was a positive, that means it was received a proton. If it was a negative like this, that means it gave a proton, but it doesn't have either. So now, since it's not negative or positive, it has to be either non-polar or polar. So to tell if it's polar, is there oxygen or is there sulfur? And as you can see, there isn't any, so this would be, the R group would be non-polar, uncharged. That is everything you need to know